Alright, hello, this is Le Biggie Cheese with a Turkish M38 Gewehr. It is a German produced, probably the smoothest bolt you can imagine. Have to get the fuck back in there. I am loaded up with, and what we're going to be shooting for the rest of the day is a 8mm Mauser. Essentially the German version of a 30-06, or just a just a bit larger than a 30-06, or not 30-06, 308. It's a little bigger than a 308, just a wee bit bigger. I feel very bad for my dog. Buddy! Might not want to be here, bro. But yes, so this is a Greek round. Later in here are some, I think they're actually Turkish ammunition. Instead of being silver, or instead of being brown, it's like a silver like looking bullet. So I only have 4 in right now because one of the rounds was dented. That's usually not good. But yeah, then usually they were loaded with 5-round clips. Clips, not magazines. These are clips. Nice. These are clips, not magazines. You weirdo. I do have actual ear protection. If you do end up shooting, just please, for the love of God, use hearing protection. You'll thank me later. Also, it's cold as shit, so that's why I'm in my fucking car. So, these first couple rounds, I'm not going to be actually shooting at the cheese blocks. I just want you guys to look at the gloriousness that is a Turkish Mauser. So, yeah, I'm shooting at a dirt berm with literally nothing behind it. The closest road is like 15, 20 miles. At least in the direction I'm shooting, which is, I think, north. No, that's east, DJ. It's east. Biggie cheese is stupid. So, yeah, there's not a lot of road east. There's one like 1.5 miles behind me. So, no fear of hitting a home. So, yeah. So let's see if I set off my car alarm. Actually, no, I'm gonna not chamber around. Nothing's going in. I can put my finger between the bolt. There's nothing going in. So, run you through it. That is safe, but I can move the bolt. Having it down towards the bolt means can't do anything with it. This is killing people, or this is off safe. This is unaliving things. So I like to have it all the way over because I'm gonna get my car set up so it doesn't, have car alarms go off because I'm shooting in the back of my car. Should be good now. Alright, yep, everything should be good. Don't know how good the audio is gonna be, so just fucking roll with me, please. Alright. Oh, there we go. That's what I like to. Okay. Going to move you. Right there. Alright. We are ready to fire. I'm shooting into the dirt berm. It's gonna fucking hurt. Not too bad. Hit really high. Way too high. Beautiful shit. Alright, now, see the silver ones? That's actual Turkish. This is bad Greek stuff. I don't like shooting Greek, it kicks a lot harder, and there's a possibility of damaging my beautiful rifle. Alright. Ooh, she's smoking. Yeah, that's here. Yeah, look at the cheese. You guys get to look at the nice wood furniture. No, this is not real blood. That's from a Halloween costume. Want to see it? Yeah, I think my first hit was that one right there. And it's pretty messed up in there. Oh, but DJ, that's way still.